government and all the difficulties Ghanaians are going through. They want somebody who is more experienced, who knows how to run things, to come and take over and rescue this country.
What will be a good parliamentary majority for you?
Absolute majority. It's going to be I predict more than 150 members of parliament.
It's okay.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and Watering Kasa or Kasa you the Ghana Police Service over headquarters or no police TV and a picky feed free or more so headquarters or minimum sense and truthful shame near Omoka and I say be almost your commentary about elections. So you're quitting not just a dear Coso,
we are former president Watuna Banafefe come up. But before I call, now yesterday, a man for Besso Eddie, a Bowana, Umbeko, the military Umbeko, swap a sign to us. Young will be added, but Yanam Soja for Mukruma, Yanemwa, so will be the ball parent for. Bia sebi we adwuma ginjan emfa ho nkote manipa korona nkoye na ade
especially sabrea bibia
what I know say mo de bambo na mo ba bebo na mu se soja ni okoso apo me kwame soja fo minimum de barracks amawura mapie soja fo mpanifo minimum sabe nkwase adwuma bia ne ho mo ye o
Mr. President Mahama Gusu a kasa menim se foforo wo kan on de but e bia bibi foforo be pie
task or assignment. It is their tradition to go to those who give birth to you and go and and ask them to stand behind you. And so it's normal in our party. So my uncles organized the prayers and they're Muslim. And so they said Muslim prayers on the grave of my father.
On also Genedia, GTV Agenedia, Join News Agenedia, TVXYZ Agenedia, and a local stations Bolin Sobianso, Ebeswaje, Nanudi Casa, Fatnia, a course one. And also now Odia Kobaby.
Yeah, Tino, Namekasa, any anum soja for a nimum, Barras, Penny for a nimum, Sebi, Kwame, when very disciplined. Now, apart from the Juma. Wuntimi mana de fufuru bia ye na dwuma na ya spell de amana no ye no I know no ye military omu ye very strict ye can discipline Ghana ha minim adwuma bi a ye so disciplined than the military ntino media minim se Ghana military na nkasa no kwa mo mbe ye adwuma pa na mo so bi koya de bi won chente se de wo kan so bi koye bibia swap ballot papers ni ade a eto de bi ye won krofo bi a 7 previous akwame
presidential and so parliamentary no and ama hase no
yes mobile alerted the proper military officers and police officers no said they be as adwuma no entimi maso nya sa de amede soldier for pa minimum whether ex servicemen ni we no kwa mu soldier 400 gina ho a 7 category be from maybe 5. Wow. Oh, me no mudi inkita me no more engagement pa. Yes, me call barracks be I have barracks de bia me ko in never. Me Jenny betimi apa ye no de ho akosim. Civilian no ma so Jenny aduma masa kwame eye den. How? Unu akora ampo no. Ah mo abafie no discipline no masa o de be ye aduma. Intimesre wo mu. Se de esinimu mo dada. Ghana military said the senimu say Ghana soldier for discipline na adwuma no Africa ha ye can bambo for in terms of say military for nya adwuma kwame Ghana armed forces Ghana military no enough from omuni madwuma min jidi senne omudwuma de amom no be ne pepepe
ye fa wen so embrem na yeguso ye wo eye o election powers wo screen so His Excellency Nanado Dankwa
Mampani Akufo-Addo
Mampani Nanado awoko ne ba bi o se nadwuma no ba na wie ya no ti chebi ebuakwa south empeso so chebi krona mu na ye we ya Nanado watu na ba no obeto ma hwan de o se dan ro ka se eye wo mu nyina akọ bankrom enya ntiase se ne x ena ye de tumidie ne be dey ebe ma no nti wei obeto ama ne x anase ni mate no me hunu cause na no say X and e be dey enti na one ne hokani nenam na ne hokani no to aba oche bia na
e bia to ne dey awia ansa
well e na wabedi ni kuna
ana so odi kan akoto no oche bi no
na owia wadi Rebecca echi ana Rebecca nko abeko enti no so no e na mo hwe wo TV ne so President Akufo-Addo a oba befa eye process mu se de be ya obekọ akoto na ba ohwe we feed aye peke yenuanom Joy News for and a Canadian e de mam no e de free yenuanom Police TV yes amafo aba hopa
yeah gomi hu sa se ho nipa hopa chebi polling station baby o mampanya do danko Akufo-Addo to aba no okay inki no kwa no so de nsa akwa akobombi eno na be kire se yes okay, verify no. Matise machine I verify what was so. And I want it.
Anti Bekizu yan dia.
Anti the test we na to about police station back.
Eti yenuanom Joy News feed ni bina. Ye fire na ye de chemo ye election powerhouse. No very soon. No mamu be wa beti ase. Very soon in the next couple of hours. No mamu be.
Okay.
Bibia ni be.
Na se kwa bia se mpanyufo no obi ya.
Obi ani so beti no wan.
Ase obi ya ato awie anamboa. Na pato ne de Professor Jenana ato ne de Dr. Baumi ato ne de His Excellency former President John Dramani Mahama ato ne no mampanyi Akufo-Addo
ato ne de na gumu ne Hassan Ayarga mo so cameras video machi na
Kwame Hassan Ayarga wo issue because na no press conference o enra kra the press conference bi o ye ne bufu yi da ne pen na yi nyina wo ni so because ne buafu o se wo ni krum aboko asundwe ni ho nti wo hu se Kwame o kwa akoto aba diminim se ne Hassan Ayarga mo monitor no mai so beto aba na so onkonkoto yes
na Kwame bedi akon
wa cheda ono ni
police station osu ha ya
ono de ya mo hwe ba bi o mo ton scraps and scrap dealers ne ono ya mo hwe mon check no me hwe se ona ni police station wa bi a ho beto number o
na chiabosom
so chiabosom de se ono o em se Bukrom Kumase Estate Junction on te bi a ho no
beto no okay ye free no na yanko CPP flag bearer no
nana Akosua from so no do ma o
into domana no
by now there enra me fa o office on kwa me na flag no mienu bo de aka ne mo see me yesen ka me busa so officer and also new office wa na from bo what you can e chia by se see the asa afi kwa me CPP ante e
wan se da anye dedi
na wan ka party no ja na oda so
party where
CPP no
akukọ no yira na me jae
da bi se bronya na buy ne de ne sere ye nkwan e na aka sere pa
awusia for election powerhouse ni da yebusa somia no akpalu ono so obeto na bawo
akpalu obeto no Ashanti region yes
and Alanchemantin
so ejoso yeah
one obeto na ba no me sure say cameras be di na chi na ye hunu se de e no obesi akoti ase wona ye benya emu bia no ye de be kire mu na mo nyina mahu nia eko but Oro Anthony Akwe woda so wa say nia ye hunu nia ya observe so far no onso nia worker.
Well, Kwame, Majidi there, so far so good. Today, may I share the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, Nankasa so audible as the Chairman of the National Security Council, that is the President, Waboto Naba. Majidi Denka, that may expect there, baby said, ABR media, or colleagues, your money in bedding common.
Yeah.
Na nka the last minute.
Because the last time I got to Abano, I abused say, Yesika sem no one sem no was oh Sika sem no one sem dear. Dear one now kwaso a war bano. One on the best one.
Okay.
Etienne so betima kasana. Raf se feed no eda so wa ye monitor was access so kasa e bia. Obe drop a hint.
Na fam say no be kasa na foforo bi o won say me. En no be e fellow Ghanaians so.
Say ono dey every bia
bi en no am say the all can o dey amaye. Say o ko chebi na nko ko verify na verify. I think say what dey nko be ana because say economy nko amenya dey obi abeka ho ase. Obi a omum wa ban mu na omum ka economy ne ho ase. Digitalization. Ba ma hu so mpanyo obo digital watch na hu.
The body digital watch.
Because everything should be digital.
Absolutely.
Yeah. About to your to your verified. It's a digital.
Digital. And we are bring one year. Do no what can say? You be say free. No see how be drew. Sabre abo ɛyɛ prɛmto abo a apa ho sima dumienu ɛnkyɛ bi ɛbɛ hand over to the afternoon team ɔhene baboama bɛneɛ ne NK Obrempong and afei so Akuya Krantma who election powerhouse ni power 97.9 as for Ora Anthony Akwedi Otia the whole day on call baby ayi no si ye ne be kasa sa ko be say ye be sha se abobo maro na fe yabo abo ano na ye tiba dan na de hunu nia obeye ye mampanya onam kwa so a wo ba eti ye de be sia ye dan ho aba ye ba ohine baboama banie NK Obrempong and afei so Akuya Krantma omodemo ebetu fa wasabreya abato oguswa ekoso Ghana Ejawusu
Kwame place say there and
no Professor Nana Jeni Pepajima ene ni aye nyina aye no ye wo hwe afidie no
convenience at low cost to all the political actors and the media for interaction on election-related matters. And the emphasis is on election-related matters. The GDA has engaged extensively with the key political parties and media management about this initiative. Colleagues, the GDA has so far received 9,009 media accreditation tax from the Electoral Commission, including reprinted tax as of Thursday, December 5th, 2024, for distribution to media practitioners covering the elections. And take note of the figures so that nobody will come with any failure. This is what we have received. 9,009 as of Thursday, December 5th, 2024, for distribution to media practitioners covering the elections across the country and foreign media, and including foreign media. The number includes 100 foreign journalists. We urge media practitioners to endeavor to promote peace in all aspects of their work during the electioneering. We wish to advise media practitioners to put the interest of the nation first in all circumstances as they cover the elections. Media practitioners must be circumspect and avoid pitfalls that may expose them to harm of any kind. However, they must be bold and remain resolute in the discharge of their duties in order to protect and project the sovereign will of the good people of this country. So far, no casualties recorded, even though we are taking some information, unconfirmed information, about some few, should I say, attacked? Yes, on the media, yet to confirm. And once we confirm, we will bring it before the media and the public attention. Police, as we go into the elections, we urge media owners and managers to equip their staff covering the elections with adequate tools and necessities, including food and means of transportation, so that they are not led into compromises that may undermine their independence and vigilance. We applaud the media for a good job done on the special voting day last Monday and Thursday. So there are 2 days. So we applaud the media for a good job done on the special voting days last Monday and Thursday, particularly the vigilance they exhibited at Ayawaso West Bogo to lay bare evidence of the disturbing incident that occurred in the constituency during voting. We call on all political actors and the general public to support the media in the discharge of their duties and to avoid attacking media practitioners. We particularly call on the Ghana Police Service to protect media practitioners covering the elections to enable them to discharge their duties effectively and efficiently. Media practitioners who may come into arms, and I repeat, media practitioners who may come into arms were in the line of duty. Means if you come under threat or you find yourself in any danger in the line of duty, and the emphasis is on the line of duty, may contact the following emergency numbers, hotlines. Immediately you come under threat or you face any danger. 025 662 2583. And I repeat, 025 662 2583. The second one is 050 357 7215. I repeat, 050 357 7215. These are the DJ hotlines. For support, whenever you find yourself in any distress situation, feel free to call the number. The GJ welcomes foreign journalists who have arrived in Ghana to cover the elections and those who are watching from afar, assuring them of our instant and constant support. We invite the foreign journalists to visit the press center located on the Gamal Abdullah for information and informalities, and to join us as we roll out or as we project the results after close of elections or polls today. The GJ, on behalf of the GJ, on behalf of Media Coalition, I want to express our profound gratitude to the KGL Group for sponsoring this project. This support will go a long way to deepen Ghana's democracy. We are thankful to the visionary executive chairman of KGL Group, Mr. Alex Dade. Let's give it to him. For his immense support to the GJ over the years, and especially this very one we are witnessing. It's the first of its kind. And so we are making history with KGL, and I think that all of you, as we've all witnessed, to see that there's a change at the press center. When you go around, when you go up, I know some of you have already been taking around. This is the doing of the Lord, and by the support of Mr. Alice Dade, the visionary executive chairman. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you all for your audience. May God bless our homeland Ghana and make it great and strong. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was the president of the Ghana Journalists Association delivering the statement on behalf of the media coalition. And he has now let the cat out of the bag. The reason why
that our materials have been on time since we started monitoring at dawn. The process is pretty simple, identification, etc. And able to, myself and my wife have discussed our ballot. We're going to monitor the other polling stations, and then we'll wait for the counting at the coalition. But so far here in the constituency, it's been generally count.
You had target in 2016, 2020, 2024. What is your target?
Well, our target or our actuals from 2016 were at a starting point. Consistently, I think our numbers have improved. We are looking to improve it again this time around.
Specific figure?
No, I won't give you a specific figures.
You know,
we have improved consistently, and we expect to improve one more time.
People are aiming getting 60, 70. We know this constituency has been a stronghold of the NPP. 2020 you did quite well. So if you can put a figure on it, that would be best.
We moved from 2016, moved to 2020. We'll be going higher in 2024.
What about pace? How do you see the process?
Pretty smooth so far, as I mentioned. Materials arrived on time. We haven't had any disturbances here. Pretty peaceful. We've just finished casting our ballots, my wife and I, and we're going to monitor what's going on in the other polling stations.
Wait for now.
I think it's a very smooth process. I was informed that our materials have been on time since we started monitoring at dawn. The process is pretty simple, identification, etc. And able to
more expansive than what we have been doing in the past. This time around, and for the first time, the DCA has deployed 276 election volunteers across all the constituencies to monitor the elections that is ongoing. And so far, our volunteers are on the ground and they've been feeding us with information, what is happening and everything. So what they are doing is that they are observing what is happening.
What is your target?
Well, our target or our actuals from 2016 were at a starting point. Consistently, I think we're now looking to improve it again this time around.
Specific figure?
No, I won't give you a specific figures.
You know,
we have improved consistently, and we expect to improve one more time.
People are getting 60, 70. We know this constituency has been a stronghold of the NPP. 2020, you did quite well. So if you can put a figure on it, that would be best.
We moved from 2016, moved to 2020. We'll be going higher in 2024.
What about pace? How do you see the process?
Pretty smooth so far, as I mentioned. Materials arrived on time. We haven't had any disturbances here. Pretty peaceful. We've just finished casting our ballots, my wife and I, and we're going to monitor what's going on in the other polling stations.
Wait for now.
The security arrangement looks solid. Our police officers have been stationed at the police stations to maintain order. And then looking at the mood of the people, in fact, they are highly impressed because for the first of its kind, the people look very anxious to vote for the first time since it is the first. Since the creation of the new district. Queues are beginning. It started since for the past 2 hours now, and at the various police stations with the people looking eager to partake in the national assignment of electing a new president and a member of parliament.
Conrad, can you report what the voter turnout has been?
The turnout in particular is encouraging. Now, when I came to Nikwe the total number of people over there is 4,572. But currently, we have 2,506 that have cast their vote. I went to Likpe Secondary School, which is there. The total number of the people are 5,500, but now we have 2,006 who have cast their vote.
Can you give us the names of the PCs standing in that constituency and what has been the voting pattern of the constituency?
Yeah, so in actual fact, we have Michael Osibo of the New Patriotic Party and Fred Agbenyo of the NDC, National Democratic Congress. But the independent candidate, in fact, I don't know his name, and I find out and over there they couldn't give me his full name. So I'm now going to chase and then get his name and then give my report.
Have you been speaking to the voters and what's is making...
And yadi enuti ana amadi alternative health center yadi abramo awar form pe awo say your kidney and our liver and na techema o hypertension and edunya asisiale diabetes and tetewo was took account to them what china nantia bre enso ntimi nko
we're hoping that our running mates will be voting in the central region as well, and definitely most of you will be covering that live. We are very certain also that our mother, the former first lady, Mrs. Kogina Mahama, will be coming here shortly to cast her ballot. That's the reason why I'm here, and all the other colleagues of ours are here also, so that we can guide it through the process. But I think that let's keep it alive. Thank you also to the media, because I think that this morning a lot of the challenges that we've experienced have actually been highlighted largely by various media men and women across the length and breadth of the country. So we say a very big thank you, and hopefully the best man, who is John Dramani Mahama, is certainly going to win this election, inshallah. Otherwise, we have no issues, and we're hoping that across the country, everybody will go out there and cast their ballot for change and nothing. Thank you.
Last night.
I don't mind that they are there to ensure the peace, but the issue is that we should have been told. These are matters that should be out there, communicated effectively and
This is your election powerhouse TV SYZ Power 97.9 afi Radio SYZ 93.1 afi abatua ekosuni nyina no fidua mu ane ye de sede etie esene fata pepepe ane ye de babeso wo ba bibiara wo minianum nyina wa ha asabre ye to aso e de afi kwame menka eja wuso ene empedifo a ebetena ha na afi omde abatua mu mpensempensemu e de brew omko the various regions, the various constituencies are about to go so cost on near ma cosina amampeni for nasa amampeni na
is gone. He's now more mature. The influence Kennedy Japon has, it's because he helps. He offers help to many of his colleagues in parliament. He is the leader of the Central Region Caucus for the NPP, right?
Because MPs na dodo na abano every NDC na afi we nso o GDS ono a obabo no obesa adi nkunim na enya ahanko a obedi nkunim wa hana John Mama nso adi nkunim wo soro honom entino ye na mitimi nya ye no because na yani bibia problems ebeko ohonom nyina ye na nti akọ yani akoko hunu problem bia ne ko
problem bia ne way there natural say BVRs no bibia ya adwumanti sabre ya wi aboy no central queues eda so wo hono ma na ekofem kra
okay queues no anaparo na embasa but say no nika bebre eba but DVL asem na uka no ya no kwese uko police station binu a DVL no problems because ya di utu satu so emba sometimes na ya di face capture no na edi ya aduma na police station bia no ya ma mu minu some of the polling stations no almost try me na was answering no but aputoa edima omo beto abana say omo nsam asana omo aba beto abana because na omo to stress they say no apomu adumanti na ema omo nsam santina these are problems in Iba but kakra no ye hu say koso ebia edu anyumbre no na omoti atuo yi
na okay se we kire poni free ho no nkuro dodo no asabe akoye nkura ase ne ade kane ane gina so ade esan ne kenkan ne benya kane ade akai
okay dan san die ye hu sa light of live wa ha but bompa ye say about one course no die omundum kania the assembly ebeba kinkan no
yo yeah
right so there me assembly
ede ali du ma ye na wase ohun na ekobo be nonum a ye besa aba ho na ye hunu de akwakosi why
okay
ya mane bofo Amidu Ali du Karande ena ye ne de nkomo afri Kirepone e wo North East region no
yeah entina ye to aso aha ye wabato aso ye Maure fise nipa 18,774,159 ena ekokoto ama aba ye wo total special voters and also 131,478 ena total number of constituencies here 271 na 276 na 275 and another Buema Babeka home. Total number of polling stations 40,975 and our presidential candidates near Dumino on the paper there Dumien Babakwe Frame and our parliamentary candidates near 801 in Yemo and numbers the figures our electoral commission ede babaye jumama renfi say nonum na je say about nonum now the line no so dey be ma kwan ama watumi wachire wadwen na watumi ato waba de ode be ma no now the man na je say bibia tumi akoso na emom
na military armor vehicles no aba air pointy guns aba air pointy guns into the crowd ni omo paya ni di omo nim enti omo yi na sutre semi mama omo yi na sutre semi mama sunti na money nko se mu rep bi wo ground Okankwe central abeka mpetemu ho no ma send videos na volunteers speak ma me no dia ma producer
obebo obebo ne say basabasa ya kakra e ho ma o ma free reinforcement ma aye asojafo no atumi akom enura asojafo no ma ehu say deployment akoso na emom ne deployment wo mo ko gina police station ase sojafo atale akotale akofatuo di akogina hot se de ye wo akomu no ana Ukraine ana Russia enti yade a wo mo bede nam eye kuro no mu a na emom se bibi se esi na mentime ho ase na niam bi ikoso na enkoye na police fo na wo no susu se omo ahodi ntumi a omtumi free reinforcement no no se wate se bibi sa akoso e wo Okankwe central na yebekọ ho ne akọ bisem yie se de important ene koso man nei ama asojafo no bi ede etu akọ pimu
adiba ko nso a ya pick on the grounds right. Say omo grounds across the country woko voter region see abrantie bi ni mame ho mfa no ne grandmother osani mame oni ni bae emra ne kire se wa obetumi aileti ni a opese omboa or kobuana party agents from one of the parties see ompini my process ni hot it say about 30 minutes kra ansana volunteer
it's allowed if senipa nanyini na no hondo me makwa cover elections e wodododo a nipa no yare wodampamu a ohwe menye doctor ni but ohwe no a o ya de akọ ene ade ba wo de ni hye akire Hey, say.
No one voting to be.
Hey, say.
Ansa na obetwa enra ya.
Sabre no ofa ade firi mpam no.
Wo e fa no bai.
Ofa enra ya obi ne ani brisem nsu meka no wa because me mbo bia de. Enra ni nua efiri mu. Osi wa ha mi o.
Untwa ma de anchi.
Untwa ma de anchi to vote no asa.
Na de wo so sabi we de makata aso.
Na wo en so wa ha no.
Wa ma na
so wa ha no. One vote ho hia papa nti wa ma so akure papa yi kwabrani na oboni pet na omde de bakrakra omdo na omo so ye no na omo so ne nsem na omo kan nti mo mu na omo sa pagya ne se tire
de ko na ko kra ye nya so fa so
o dem
na se si aye ho otumfo ne nua
ba hima asante hima
onu su se aso ne modi
omo kra ne mo aso ne sisi
onu de e bi e de na nche a wo su otumfo na nkasa kra ne ahemfo no do omo kwa na obi nsa da wo bu wo me ya he fro omo sisim so hene nti ono otumfo na na so wo hempo pro do pre ko dwemu a wo no timi na nche kra se wo so obi eso de sisi
aba otumfo kwato aba no sisi so hene no gina nchen
wa nko dedi
oba hema
na ya wache de esi wo kentampo south no am peska bayire de esi wo ho no
ma me nkwa Alfred homra na afi fa bom Alfred wa homa so owo zoom Alfred ma ha Fredo Alfred mute huni ani nkomo why Otemenka Alfred
ya metonka
right
na se mu emu nsalanda ho ma me
enya clear ho
well sa Otemenka dia ma me nda wase na memo akwaba embepie mu ewo Amasama constituency so that we get the two journals so Ghana you so am your pola yeah good ma ohwe mechi a imprempren one of the polling stations ewo Amasama constituency and currently voting so it's rather unfortunate so but so I'm for that so ejima extra maximum by me IX citizens not spectators but you be pay mu ewo Amasama just about 5:40 5:50 a.m. and a DPMO in preparing many actually about 6 of the urban route polling station A and B and of course C and D and when it's more expected NIPA 370 each as well. Often one of the HML Amasama or police station, I said post office A, Amasama police station, I said post office B. But could be expecting 631. Now before me, that was around 9:15, 9:20. Now out of NIPA 631, I'm expecting now a more 118, and I think I cast vote as at around 9:15, 9:10 thereabout. And I move here. When the HMO was Central Mosque or more a polling station. Now what the na SONI and say you catch any one about papa. Now on the Central Mosque or more a polling station. One no, yeah, Edikasam, Arawasam, and Asresam, and Sam, Abraham, line good for air personum. Bema can think out to say, no, it's an hono sopa, in front Tom, a young boy, a plenty a putupa, to say kukum, of the form say a form say kukru, not a plenty a traffic. Line mana papa. Most people in this or one person or no bias with one swap a tar sad a tar see most of times. If you so feel say no and yeah we don't watch why is stay you can pay for her no more man on a cheap pen on a so a pen so assassin in the mail run one son of Branty ultimate absolutely so intent and our electoral commission for a work room or more a share Emma Branty to a casino boots come on and son of Ofiho ma and so ultimate akwe papa and yeah as of background before that no not yeah in any case Udwin HMO one of the villages and one of the towns and Amasama constituency as at 11 yeah as at 10:40 10:30 about now omuntimi and start some air to about so quickly say election command center about to so yeah dey American tentemebo American people na yeah ko pm e wo ho na the ten say electoral commission Philippine one it say registrar na omo ede ebaye no a different polling station register and omo dey bar that particular polling station from minister A and B but B no more air to and I feel A ni dear. Not in chance so as at 10-14 no munyan to ye. It's a copy register number the buy and normal so at that a different polling station there and on about that particular polling station. So the electoral commission officer and I will fast and say okay say a register way Nana have say yen some register ya moment from matching if you now yen somebody that could march and match the video or the polling station and soon so they have to wait for the chief executive officer and the operation officer for Amasama constituency in the electoral commission, and Obaye. So Obaye no only nipa etwehye honom edin komo say mistake from so baby naba into omoma just 40-45 minutes obe get back no the right register no e dia ba just about 15-20 minutes and omode new register na e buy omode buy no na 2020 register. Hey, and by 2020, it's not your time, and I'm not time. No check us out, and I cast a few minutes to 11 o'clock. So no more here. It's the electoral commission in penny for no party agent for them the same content because over 2020 at that polling station or before to about was still within that store. Say Nana Shoku at about Unesco 2024 this hour so yen two got emrenepo na yam start in 2020 no NPP party agent or one gentum NDC or AG2 mo other party agents or no few of them answer their challenge on that particular decision then the officer no once again eka says sanity there any amount train not the right name na kasa yen sign man another 30 minutes now provided the right name. In 30 minutes, the officer and sign coming back with the right decision. But they cut an buy before now about 11-7. 11-7. And so the right register and ever. I want that particular polling station. I want Amasama. I want some almost air to room. It's almost about 11:20, and some almost say them almost air customer vote on that particular polling station. But the electoral commission before not make it clear. Say it doesn't matter about mistake and be happen when exactly 5 p.m. Now only kill this one. Penema won to aba and no ebe maintain wase ebe ya boachi bi di mama for koko pae say we delay your time obi eja hokko adwuma obi so hokko efuom aba nti waba de so mo additional time na ensam bebre but dey na koko see say so ojo wo queue no nko 5 am dia ye be twen ma queue wo nyina obi ato ne dey we say queue no be 12 am crowd they will allow but about 5 na we need line mu dia and then I'm running to say penny and my own trouble. Like I said, that particular polling station is some Omashasia, Omuguswa, Omo air trouble. When you go so I a problem, you Canadian embassy reps are before Omo and so your observations. Kakami Homo, Central Mosque, Omo polling station, what to say, Abofuno, Juguma, Moso, Elumina, Coma, and so be service questions. Esha Howard, and I'm a say a photo of one of Thomas Canada, apart from that, so yeah, I had opportunity to so Asia, African Union, and so representatives are also our this particular constituency. Michipi Omoya Miensa, Bako Nigeria, Bako Efi Hybridus, and Abako and so Efi Togo. Omoya Miensa, Babakobama Munu, also HSA UN, and say almost so monitor as on mobile and movie about 11 polling stations. Probably they are okay with the system, they are okay with how Ghana for air to Omabat, and they are hoping for better. It's almost a conversations are meaning the African Union funds will you go so monitor whatever happens there no Amasama constituency trust Unia about to so a planning put from Amasama constituency. Believe you me, the latest moment ever bring for be because to be our Amasama constituency.
Excellent job now. Why no and nana pay perfecto and as I could just sports stadium now your commentary if I blast us would them papa Alfredo now turning can but there were a few things Alfredo came out with Bako Branton or to collapse and they come and they come sir oh what then what would them how much say now this time still we did it and me is a womb charm something could not you ordinary za
na wadwuma wa
ye funu yare problem na ne wa wan say wa stress ye mre ne fant doko no manini obi o twahwe otumi kan ha o kire say kom na ekum ye ba meni
na wa mo gina so wa mo amwa no okọ fam ne we so ko pese nso no mdi gu so akọ ko twahwe water works they go also hunu de ye no wa ye ma no
the other thing is about the fact that when I want to Okaikwe South, Shadrach Okaikwe South, you Shadrach, Hona, Okaikwe South, Hona Oka say Central. Okay, so this is South. So Shadrach, Maha.
Yeah.
Yo, Shadrach Empom.
Me ho ye na won so ma.
Ya me shy papa na Okaikwe South. Ya te say try so obi atwetwo Okaikwe South. Why soldier near na post near no why I watch it too.
But yes, you na mapuguma ni nyanti ese ya chi obi o ka kweta te St. Teresa preparatory school no police station or police station ba ko stations makuma kunum and was a police station e nyanti ese ya chi obi a okura etuo yem so okura etuo
yeah
eti e etire ba na police for afa na ko ba nhwehwe mu kire se ye friend of Michael Alote Oye NDC operational director for Kakwe South. NDC operational director for Kakwe South. And the say phone say etio kran. And yes no atwe won say okratio. And na empanyin fuafa no. Titi e ka say won na kopie mu e Greater Accra Central Police Station. That is Accra Central.
Right.
The ban say yes na NDC MPP for person mo di aduane every agent police station ni mu na aduane no mo de ba no omo mo de ta witness check no mo kura if you aso am yakete ne be enum eti omo yes aduane ni pa enko na mo ko mo aduane afi wa kese enko enum eti omo mo mfa ka ni nwem no mo ni aduane no engita mfa mbre omo e no mo soso mo mpene enti e papa we ye ne basabasa yo e ba wo gate na no e ma mpanyin fo ba mu to efununum ansa na e ko fom mu se etu e wo bi ho ata di fe hu a e mpanyin fo apa na tisi a ye na ko Greater Accra Regional Police Headquarters.
Asamo nti isisi ade bibia de di e wo honum.
Kakra na NDP for ne NDC agent na akatakata kakra bo muntem na e ba nye adibia de bia akatakata nketenkete na kakra na apagya wo muntem bat sisi amino ka say bia de dia o ma patapata o nyina e say NDP for ne to o mo ka o mo ko nti ben say ha sisi de kakata ha
yo nti o hwe Onua TV a obe wusa abante no abanka banda ne sa ya wogina ho a wa che ne shirt a ne t-shirt che inside t-shirt me so e be party t-shirt na watutumu a ne agent tag bo no ko mu a wogina ho no mo na wogina police car ho na say bi nti na yamfa nanim emfonyi na nkasa ma ma wan hu no na sanity a police force kra the release via PM mountain so concerning Okaikwe wa Okaikwe South wa wo tre say wo how bi say akoba say ye koche aduane na egu efreri asura meminti ye makwan ma ne nwuram me makwan me preme say etuo show bi ho no obi nim de ode etuo no ede yo apart from that no police station ho bibia okay there abato no ekoso kama
they say they had about to okoso obia agent eduma pepepe
ya tie that papa Shadrach say o de sama ne bono de abrant ye kasa abrant en de wo kire so ye NDC ya police ni aso ano de so wo kotwi tu de mum na tuo hye no wo de tuo ko police station ho wo ko na ni tuo kura no ya wo de ko ye me why he would decide to actually carry a gun to the police station because na even the security service crowd almost more fetu nko ho enti wa o kwa check ne ma otu okura no na eno enesen asemo but apostify your moduma ene ade enche be ko sapoma ho ne no so akotwetwe nkomo. What do you make of this?
It's very, very unfortunate. In the course of the year, who says Anya maybe to necessary, into the Krata Babom Teens Ghana Armed Forces said they should stay to their core mandate. Now, Omunja said, Jumama police for Afedia, police for Ankasamun share name tag, na ye home, my young home, Memo Bian carry a tour polling station because a civil exercise na ye
yen expect say yen ni yen kokko to the point say ube carry to is very unfortunate. Yeah,
Central no cry IGP masa directive ni say wo ye minister hwan na wo ba be observe bia na wo be boa ma abato na koso a wo minister security crowd ne nam no on to me crowd fentuo emfa ma police station. So I don't know what's happening.
Because anything can happen. Obi betumi a provoke you na small issue na nipa actually ni nkwanti. Very, very unfortunate.
Yeah, a quick takeaway from Afra report Nansana Yako.
Yeah, quite south, yeah, to
say the materials in the qua. Yeah, I have one catch race or one check BBI okay. Engineer the buyer register one that one. Now what's our 2020 EC officer or whole polling the phone, no woman in Ireland, so everything more quiet. Dear, yes, you who's a more treachery near Mammo baby I did into your day. And I'm not much idea with them in January. And
Mr. say, is it right? Say, electoral officer, they make my mom the 2020 register.
That decision, one was say, or better take it that decision. On this, right, you know, I was say unfair, near returning officer. Now, say, a blue returning officer, no, so afraid, region, and district electoral officer, no, now. Omo make amends e bia register no na omo hihye na omo akofa the
2020 akosemo ana na
wa agent say yen use 2020 there has been new registration every police center no
18 for abemi atro bi no omo nkomo nya dey
now see 2020 obi also be a so a
that's wrong. That is
very
totally
very wrong.
For an agent to even accept say yen fine no emwa sapoma wa homa so fa.
Okay sapoyo
yes,
na Sapoyo wujina a fine constituency be when our
I and your police station, never will shut your machi at here. ND, Memneda Aquantia for Amia Mekan will be mastery and you and Amaba Abedina. I want to say, now, Sadia, a money bonity kind of buy, not and she say, and say, I feel about one more. Yabaton, the Memneda, not SD and Penny, for yet, no better near your Sadia Baya and car and don't know about contact. And only our important has say not yes, say about one individual way and yeah, sorry. What was sorry? I will be and I saying, and I is it here, MPM, Mena, and yet I mean, say, young condo, and now what's one? And I want to that. Oh, no, Carol already, any matter that. It's on our car. It's not about the program. But you cry one as well. Every shot, but my time on and my sorrow every time. It's in the country. And it's me. You're telling for the buyer, say, yeah, LB for you to a belly. Isn't it? Now, a shell will so that mean to me. In front of time, by individuals, the woman was why not yet. Yes, okay, so that's yet, yeah. And you're not said, yeah, for mine, and I send you a TV, and yet, and on mine, in Enterprise, no more I ask you vessel. Study, for mine, look at the young person we ever find. Then you know, no one want that phone or that's what we need, and we try to use an opportunity and papa. The opportunity also means that. In your content, make content that we do understand Yano make us mammy to one of mammy to the puppet so brammy pum. Of so many saying, and the Bunaquam, I'm out your price, Finn Yapon, young go via something deep on Yanko on a home and Yango also Anya politics. No opportunity watching. Medatoma, I saw plenty, very tata. I saw plenty Yanko. Now, about one about Basso.
About an idea.
Yeah, that's
all. Babaso na mema akwayimu kura omo ya pon na meso.
So we say you be bia wo betra wa adwo. Okay, that's okay. And Nana Cabrefo, Miriam Aquancha SDF, one more, Penia Ghana Conference, Katua Central, and I'm in nobody for my, and people sorry at the match, and a papa to a mamba, Yapu, sorry to school in Breno, Omwa Aka, and Beko Aquaton, and Anaya, Yabaya, Yanya, Quenya, I visit police center, and what I would to say, it's 2020, and we say no, and we track any airport. The Aya Roma JHS incumbent MP Mary's Howard Crimson Exonabano Yakob Monaya better police centers I am better say I was hand saying na and one more and a drumono and what pie and nipa and one more any attempt one ya better say honorable MP and a pay when a real money and now I to say agent reserve so we'll be back to a burning pool not and from sort of crabby up by one idea on call years before on call party agents be our maybe how a person and chain and our back one year honorable making sure so best of the airport to the assembly and the panel ebenya kwanya na wono so e de ato na ba ye hwe won me ye sign for kopia mu I was set to cry e wono mo so na de won jifu e de ama NDC Phyllis na koyo ato na ba e wo hono ye kopia wono so na e dom no e wo hono mo kakra bo no so e kokoto na ba na o chebu se spirit wono no na me house kase pa e ye na koyo e ye se ye benya abambo fo bebre na e wo kaswa awutu senya inspector ye nim se kaswa ye bodin a obia enim say ayana adwen foforo bi esa ya chese asumdue abatu ayi yen sada enwu asumdue bebesant na ne hawo no but say ye dey ni nkomo no o ma yete ase ne hawo na e wone so no say na koma atone mpite ye beka ne say aso a efi beta nonson abatu ne sha ase e wo awutu senya is constituency hanu musei no dia ye bone kwansu bia ensi ye e wa hate Yashwa no say e kwa ni mu no bi boni bia so ensi maybe so wakusin e kire mu say wono no enye se wo ye chichirafo se ye ya na enkofo bi e wo adwenfo e wo momotini mu na momo no e ye eniema bi na nankofo e ye na e ya no wo kana no atuma ya na e ka no na so no say pa ha wakusin no wo we ene wo kasi sus bia say enne ya ye to abai sa fele na koyo o jira ho no be bona su krampa one kasa obey ni din na wako na mu na boto na chi no obey make sure that you na sumu wo boy a wono so ebe go din na ye to obey die what trofo anya awutu senya is the ho ntamo aka no ensi se enli to the bar wono NPP no obey try to obey jojo akuma na mu na boto na chi no die e wo go e wo so wo ye bia
the line or article me share an interview on how I
Yena sapo yo de wa mani hwehwem ade free utu senya is the People's Republic of Kaswa and our day amaye no na
na meeting bra okoto no a ase no no so observe elections no ne ade na iron lady adekronti ankrofo ye wo mo ka se I said the Niswashi, I saw to train in the idea to our country. About to say, yeah, registration say, yeah, to it will not train, you know. No, what them once I'm combined, my uncle for trauma drain for home, and a big crash to say on one security crown a tree to so security care. One so to the train, oh, Babakuno, one day. From that time, no, she, you know, anything about a year caswa, the idea, no, uniform, and you know, and right, Tiana, a year constituency, no. Mopo constituency okaya na English botiano home se gasas right here and there, but what can in Abomwa? I think say a year. My main call a year. I'm Pessica by Red and Cranza South Nansani Abora.
because sɛ wohwɛ ɔmo a yɛkye ɔmo nyinaa yi a wobɛte yɛsi o timamufoɔ no ɛyɛ citizen vigilante eti sɛsi ano sɛ wohwɛ sɛneɛ nneɛma no si kɔ a timamufoɔ no a na ɛma tip off so it tells you sɛ Ghanafoɔ no ankasa bu ofu system no ɛna MPP foɔ nso ɛkɔyɛ polls ɔmo na anka no koraa mfa nkyerɛ Ghanafoɔ national security foɔ kɔyɛ bi NB influence NIB sɛ yɛ from NIB eti NIB foɔ nso kɔyɛ bi ne nyinaa gu Akufo-Addo table so a ɔmo akyerɛ mu sɛ Ghanafoɔ ne ngye ɔmo amamuo no but ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo daadaa Ghanafoɔ nti ɔmo so yɛ wini and to am it is possible no buy and omudi show mu hun cry it will mark print way send e be ya say do say kan obi ba hwe na asesa ballot no so what I say okay enti no se eba ne sa na se wo te se ballot oh yakogye abaya ebeba no na afi ya kan na wan kasa wo hu say ade no anko wafa ne nso